Hey, what is up guys? This is your boy High on Tech, and these are the speakers which I used to have on my desktop, and today I'm gonna unbox the new F&D a521x speakers. So without any further ado, let's get started. These are the new speakers which I bought for my desktop. The model number is a521x and the brand is F&D. It has a Bluetooth functionality built in. The speakers comes with remote control and it has a 6.5-inch subwoofer, a USB playback, and a built-in FM radio which saves up to 100 channels, I guess. Now let's do the unboxing. In the box you will get some paperwork, a remote control and two satellite speakers left and right obviously. I bought these speakers for 6,000 rupees from my local market, and for 6,000 these speakers are just so amazing. And these speakers are entirely made up from wood, so this is a good thing as well. As I told you, these speakers have a 6.5-inch subwoofer, and the subwoofer weighs around 2.5 to 3 kg approximately. I was struggling to get this big ass subwoofer out of its box, and this is what happened when you activate your beast mode. As I told you, these speakers are entirely made up of wood, so expect them to be on a heavier side. On the one side of the speaker, where you find all your controls, your source button, pause and play button, next forward button, your USB control hub and bass controller, and on off switch, and your FM antenna. Let me quickly set up these speakers, and after that I'll show you the sound test of these speakers. I customized these satellite speakers with a white sticker tape to look even more amazing. Now let's do the sound test. Please use good quality headphones. These speakers are just so freaking awesome. For the price of 6000 rupees, this is an amazing deal. Go out and buy these speaker for your LEDs or for your desktop system. If you guys looking for a good pair of speakers, so go out and buy F&D a521x for 6000 rupees and you will be amazed by this product. Seriously, the bass is amazing, the vocal is amazing. So with that note, this is where I say goodbye to you guys. Thanks for watching and I talk to you guys in the next one. Peace.